Travel is never just about schedules. It's about crafting an experience and removing stress before you even step on the plane. Whether you are a meticulous planner or someone who prefers to go with the flow, there are a few essentials that can make or break your journey. Let's start with something deceptively simple: your passport. Many travelers know about the 6-month validity rule, but what surprises people is how some countries count that 6 months. A few measure it not from the expiry date, but from the issue date. Imagine holding a UK passport issued in 2015 and set to expire in 2026. It might look fine, but if you plan to travel in late 2025, you could be refused entry because the document is more than 9 years old. Details like this catch people out all the time. Then there are blank pages. Multiple border stamps can fill your passport faster than you think, and in some cases, a single missing page has halted entire trips. Even novelty stamps, like the souvenir ones from Machu Picchu, have been enough to cause denied boarding in places like Thailand. And don't forget the time it takes to renew. In the UK, waits can stretch to 10 weeks, so it pays to be ahead of the game. The second pillar of smart travel is insurance. It isn't just a box to tick with the cheapest option. The right coverage can protect you before the trip even begins. Illness, cancellations, or sudden emergencies can strike before you ever reach the airport. One young solo traveler in Tobago learned this the hard way. Without insurance, he fell seriously ill and faced impossible costs to evacuate for treatment. Beyond money, insurance gives you someone to call, advice in your language, and coordination when things spiral out of control. It removes a huge weight when you need it most. Now, let's talk about balance. Planning every moment of a trip often means missing the most memorable experiences. Flights cancel, weather changes, and sometimes local advice leads you to hidden gems you never imagined. One traveler in Ethiopia ended up invited to a wedding, something no itinerary could prepare for. The lesson is simple: leave space for surprises. Build flexibility into your schedule so the unexpected can become the highlight. Packing is another challenge. The golden rule is clear: do not overpack. Aim for a capsule wardrobe with versatile items that respect cultural norms, like covering shoulders or knees where required. Check local rules as well. In Barbados, for example, camouflage clothing is banned altogether. And remember, laundry facilities are common worldwide. You rarely need to carry everything from home. So, what's the takeaway? Smart planning isn't just about lists. It's about looking deeper into the details: passport issue dates, insurance timing, and cultural expectations, while leaving room for the unplanned. Prepare for the known, but stay open to surprise, because often the richest moments of travel come not from the itinerary, but from what unfolds when you step off it.